At Khanli, we specialize in high-precision CNC machining for custom low-standard parts. We offer one-stop solutions for high precision, complex components. With years of experience, our core services include custom parts, CNC milling and turning, prototyping, multi-metal machining. We handle complex, high-precision parts with efficiency and reliability. We support structural design optimization, used in equipment, medical, aerospace, auto, electronics, motorcycle, and more. 40 plus CNC machines include 3-axis, 4-axis, lathes, and wire cutting. Precision inspection ensures quality through the process. Fast prototyping, flexible plans, one-time delivery, multi-batch, and a long-term supply available. Choose Khanli, efficient, stable, and competitive. Send us your drawings. Fast custom machining starts now.